Hey, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವ್ರದೇ ಮನೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ದ ಗಾಡಿನ. Whoa, 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 whoa. Squids, dude, squids. See, when I see those people who do all those things in the city, I just give them way and just let them go, man. Because if you try to block them, if you try to be ahead of them, they'll end up hurting you, right? They would want to overtake you and they would want to show off that their bike is superior or they are superior. You will end up getting hurt. So in those conditions, just let them go. Let them have that fun. See another guy who thinks his elbow has brains in it and is wearing a hoodie on the head. I'll honestly tell you, making daily observation videos is so fun. I have a Dominar here in front of me now, white, and I like it. Nice. The white one looks good. Yeah. It's nice. Yep. Mileage 27. Yeah. 28. Oh, nice. Yeah, exactly. So at that time you cannot actually judge. How old is this? A week. How many kilometers have you done? Okay, very good. So in the previous signal, actually I thought it's a Benelli or something, but then when I saw the rear, I was sure that it was Dominar. So in the front it actually looks big because now I'm seeing it in the perspective from another bike. So from there it looked like, okay, it's some other bike. In white it looks really good, man. In black it looks like a Pulsar, I wanna be honest. In white it looks really beefy. Whoa! I see these people meet every day, These meetings are silent and calm. So if you know your bike well, you can actually do that. So when I'm at a signal right now, and so in these conditions, if you're going through a gap, be careful and wary of your bike like that. The Pulsar guy in front of me, he was not sure whether his bike will go through, but later he saw me going through and so he followed. So if you're not sure, you don't do it, right? If you do not have experience, don't do it just to show off. If you are only confident and you know that your bike will go through, do that. So I'll tell you, there might be few people who might be complaining that I'm standing on this double white line and I'm not following rules. So right now I can go ahead and do this. That's because why I went in the front was I saw the Pulsar guy coming behind me, so I wanted to make room for that guy. So now he's there and I'm here. That is exactly what I wanted to show you. Squids like this, right? You just give them a smallest of push and they do this. So Well, that person is in realization that I'm coming and still he wanted to go. Anyways, so as I was explaining, the bike. Okay. What's happening? I got something else also to motovlog just now. Anyways, let me complete that sentence first. So as I was saying, it's because of squids like that, the motorcycle like KTM Dukes have a bad reputation, right? It's not the bike. It's not the bike which is at fault. It is these people with their shitty attitudes which is at fault, you know. And the other topic was, I had this topic in my mind since a long time. You saw that there was some electric scooter being ridden by someone without helmet, right? So it's a rule here that if you have an electric scooter, you don't have to wear a helmet. How does it make any sense? If you're on an electric scooter, does it mean no one comes and dashes into you, or you won't fall into an accident at all? I don't understand the reason behind that. If you have an electric scooter and if you go in front of cops also without helmet, they won't catch you, you know that? So please let me know if that rule has changed or not. Otherwise, that rule has to be pushed into people, because your life is not in the hands of an electric scooter. You have to save yourself. कैसे हो साहब? Engineer inside, it seems. So some people keep asking me, why do I do hand signals? So yeah, I do use the indicator. As you see in the videos, it's pretty visible, but I do use the hand signal because there are few people who don't pay attention to these indicators, right? They just run into you. Like this guy, see, he's having his indicator on and he's simply going straight. So this is what happens in cases like this. In cases like this, you will have to use the indicator as well as the hand signal. See, that is how good Bangalore traffic police are sometimes. Nowadays, if there is some traffic congestion or something, and if you inform the Bangalore traffic police on the Facebook page, those people are really quick to deploy cops over here and make sure to manage the traffic. So that's something very good that has been happening. Dude, what's wrong with that bullet guy? Yeah, so that's something really good with the Bangalore traffic police, you know. You wanted to see Activa with rear set foot pegs, right? See this? I guess he rides a Duke or something and he is used to that rear set position. Dude, what the hell? He's on his phone, he's not overtaking, he does not have a helmet, and he's not allowing anyone to overtake also. You see that a chrome helmet? It looks like a vessel from some kitchen. Because there is a huge traffic jam, people are going back. And this flyover runs to 1 kilometer. So everyone is going back, as you can see over here, from autos to two-wheelers to even four-wheelers now. I saw a cop also do that. Damn, look at that biker signal, guys.